एक कहानी सुनोगे? हो सकता है आपने ये कहानी सुनी हो। एक बार एक बहुत सारे फ्रॉग्स का ग्रुप एक खंबा चढ़ने की कोशिश करते हैं। वो खंबा काफी लंबा होता है एंड इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर द फ्रॉग्स टू क्लाइंब दैट टावर एंड मेनी फ्रॉग्स वर स्ट्रगलिंग। और जैसे ही उन्होंने वो खंबा चढ़ना शुरू किया तो नीचे जो बाकी फ्रॉग्स थे उन्होंने चिल्लाना शुरू कर दिया, तुम नहीं कर पाओगे, तुम नहीं कर पाओगे, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू क्लाइंब दिस टावर, प्लीज कम बैक। एंड स्लोली एक एक करके फ्रॉग्स नीचे आने लगे और धीरे धीरे फ्रॉग्स गिव अप करने लगे। एक एक फ्रॉग गिव अप करने लगा, बट उनमें से एक फ्रॉग था जो बार बार कोशिश करता रहा, चढ़ता रहा। उसको भी बाकी फ्रॉग्स बोल रहे थे नहीं कर पाओगे, नहीं कर पाओगे, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट, पर फिर भी वो चढ़ता रहा। एंड एट लास्ट जब वो खंबे के ऊपर पहुंच गया तो सब लोग शॉक हो गए कि ये कैसे हो गया। और फिर सबने पूछा कि तुमने ये कैसे किया, तुमने ये सुना नहीं, हम तुमसे कह रहे थे कि तुम ये नहीं कर पाओगे। एंड देन दे रियलाइज्ड द फ्रॉग वाज डेफ। वो फ्रॉग सुन ही नहीं सकता था, तो उसने बाकी फ्रॉग्स की नेगेटिव वॉइस सुनी ही नहीं। He could not hear the negative voice of other frogs and he kept moving forward. And this is exactly what happens in our life also. जब हम पढ़ाई करते हैं, जब हम एग्जाम्स की तैयारी करते हैं, बहुत सारे थॉट्स हमारे दिमाग में आते हैं, डाउट्स आते हैं, फियर आता है कि हम नहीं कर पाएंगे, शायद हमारा क्लियर नहीं हो पाएगा, हम इतने इंटेलिजेंट नहीं हैं। बाहर से भी नेगेटिव वॉइसेस आती है, तुम सीए नहीं कर सकते हो, सीए बहुत टफ है, सीए सबके बस की करना नहीं है, अटेम्प्ट पे अटेम्प्ट लगते रहते हैं। तो ये सारी नेगेटिव थॉट्स, सारी नेगेटिव वॉइसेस हमारे अराउंड हमेशा घूमती रहती हैं। एंड इफ यू बिकम डेफ to all these negative thoughts, to all these negative voices, then don't you think कि आप भी अपना गोल बहुत इजीली अचीव कर लोगे? एंड इफ यू ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू बिकम डेफ टू ऑल दिस नेगेटिविटी, देन जस्ट listen to this. But before starting, a small request, please follow the instructions if possible. If not, then completely okay, you can just listen to the series, but if possible, follow the instructions. Now let's start. First, take a sip of water and close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Again, take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Relax your body. For the next few minutes, just listen to this and allow your mind to understand that you have the power to choose which thoughts you give attention to, which voice you absorb, and which voice you let pass. I am deaf to negative thoughts and negative voices. Yes, I am deaf to negative thoughts and negative voices. Not physically deaf, but mentally deaf to every thought that tries to weaken me and every negative voice around me that tries to break my confidence. I am deaf to every thought that says मुझसे नहीं होगा, मैं क्लियर नहीं कर पाऊंगा, मैं इंटेलिजेंट नहीं हूँ, मेरा सिलेबस बहुत पेंडिंग है, मेरा टाइम निकल गया, अगर मैं फेल हो गया तो। एंड आई एम ऑल्सो डेफ टू एवरी आउटसाइड वॉइस विच सेज सीए बहुत टफ है, सब क्लियर नहीं कर पाते, तुमसे क्लियर होगा भी या नहीं, अब इतने कम टाइम में तुम क्या ही कर लोगे, तुम्हारा अटेम्प्ट वीक लग रहा है। Because I have listened to these voices for so long. Sometimes these voices come from inside me and sometimes from people around me. But whenever I absorb them, they gave me only fear, only doubt, only guilt, only overthinking, only stress. But now I choose differently because not every thought deserves a place in my mind. Not every fear deserves my belief. Not every opinion deserves my attention. And from today, I choose to become deaf to every thought and every voice that makes me weak or breaks my confidence. I don't listen to thoughts that breaks my confidence. I don't listen to voices that makes me doubt on myself. I don't give energy to these fear-based opinions. I choose the thoughts that guides me. I choose feedback that helps me improve. I choose voice that strengthen me. I choose action over fear. I am deaf to negative thoughts and negative voices because now I understand thoughts are not always facts and opinions are not always truth. Just because a thought comes doesn't mean it's true. Just because someone says something doesn't mean I have to believe it. It doesn't mean it will happen. It doesn't mean that I am not capable. A thought is just a thought. A comment is just a comment. A fear is just a fear. It can come, it can stay for a while, and it can go. But I decide whether I want to believe it or simply let it pass. So when my mind says, मुझसे नहीं होगा, मैं क्लियर नहीं कर पाऊंगा, और when someone says, अब इतने टाइम में क्या ही होगा, पता नहीं तुमसे क्लियर होगा भी या नहीं, I am deaf. Because now I don't have to believe every thought that comes to my mind. And I don't pay attention to every opinion that comes from outside. I choose which thought to give attention to, and then I respond. When it comes from outside, someone's comment, someone's doubt, someone's comparison, someone's fear, someone's opinion or pressure, I don't make every outside voice my inner truth. I filter what I listen. If it helps me to improve, I take it. If it gives me direction, I use it. If it shows me my mistake, I learn from it. But if it only creates fear, if it only creates doubt, if it only breaks my confidence, I refuse it. Because every voice around me does not deserve a place inside me. I cannot control what people say, but I can control what I allow my mind to absorb. I also understand it's okay if any negative thought come. It's okay if outside voices affect me sometimes because I am a human. But I don't have to obey every thought. I don't have to absorb every comment. I don't have to carry every opinion. A thought can come and I can still choose action. An opinion can come and I can still choose confidence. So I don't judge myself for having these negative thoughts. I simply train myself not to listen to them blindly. Because I know being mentally strong does not mean negative thoughts will never come, doubt will never come, people will never say anything negative. But now I understand negative thoughts comes to everyone. But the difference is some students believe those thoughts, but some students learn to rise above them. Now I understand someone's doubt is not my destiny. Someone's opinion is not my identity. Someone's fear is not my future. Now I understand. I don't have to fight every thought. I just have to stop feeding it. Being deaf to negativity does not mean that I ignore reality. If my syllabus is pending, I don't pretend that everything is perfect. I accept it and make a plan. If my test marks are low, I don't deny it. I analyze my mistakes and improves my strategy. If my revision is weak, I restart with clarity. If someone gives me genuine feedback, I don't reject it. I listen. I understand. I improve. Because I am not deaf to guidance. I am deaf to discouragement. I am deaf to fear. I am not deaf to correction. I am deaf to comments that breaks my confidence. I listen to truth. I listen to feedback. I listen to guidance. But I don't listen to self-doubt. I don't absorb fear. I don't carry negativity inside me. I train my mind step by step. Whenever a negative thought or voice comes, I simply say, this is a negative thought or this is a negative voice. Then I separate myself from it. I remind myself, I am not this thought. I am not this opinion. This is just something passing through my mind or my environment. And I ask myself, is this helping me? If it is helping me to improve, I take the lesson. If it is only creating fear, I let it go. I replace it with a thought that empowers me and I take action, because action is the strongest answer to negative thoughts and negative voices. When I act, fear loses power. When I restart, guilt loses power. When I study, doubt loses power. And this is how I train my mind. And this is the best way to handle all this negativity, by taking actions. Giving attention to negative thoughts is like eating unhealthy food. At first, it feels normal. I may not see the effect immediately, but slowly it starts affecting my energy, my confidence, my focus, my mood, and my performance. Same way, when I keep consuming negative thoughts, these thoughts become my mental junk food. They don't nourish me. They only make my mind heavy, fearful, confused, and weak. So from now on, I become conscious of my mental diet. Just like I don't want to feed my body unhealthy food every day, I don't feed my mind negative thoughts every day. I choose thoughts that nourish me and gives me strength, because my mind also need healthy food, and healthy food for my mind is clarity, self-belief, courage, focus, and action. So whenever a negative thought comes, I don't consume it. I simply let it pass and choose a thought that makes me stronger. So from now on, whenever these thoughts will come, I ask myself, is this helping me grow or is this only creating fear? If it's helping me grow, I listen. If it's creating only fear, I become deaf. So from now on, I am not controlled by negative thoughts. I am not controlled by negative voices. I am selective with my attention. I protect my mind. I protect my focus. I protect my energy. I am deaf to thoughts that weaken me. I am available to thoughts that strengthen me. I am available to guidance. I am available to self-belief. I am available to action. I am available to restart. I am available to my own journey, because this is who I am. I choose my thought, I choose my response, I choose my action, and I move forward. Now repeat after me. I am deaf to negative thoughts and negative voices. Again, one more time, repeat after me. I am deaf to negative thoughts and negative voices. One last time, repeat after me. I am deaf to negative thoughts and negative voices. How are you feeling? Feeling little strong? Feeling that now you can ignore the negativity जो आपके दिमाग में आती है या बाहर से आती है? If yes, then type in the comment, I am deaf to negativity. I am deaf to negative thoughts. And now with this mindset, go back to your studies and give your 100%. और कभी भी अगर दिमाग में कोई नेगेटिव थॉट आता है या आपके आसपास कोई आपको नेगेटिव बोलता है, बिकम डेफ टू एवरी थॉट, टू एवरी वॉइस that weakens you, and become available to your guidance, and become fully available to your growth, to your guidance, to your efforts, to your learnings. ठीक है? Take care. Bye bye.